Dekoni Audio's Elite Velour earpads are the softest polyester around. Not only is it ultra breathable, but it also uses a tighter threading to help maintain some of the low frequency content compared to our competitors' Velour. Each pair of Dekoni Audio earpads is designed to fit its respective headphone model perfectly, which makes sure the earpads seal around your ear for unparalleled isolation. Our high-density memory foam will warm up to your ear and mold to your head and glasses with ease to allow for longer listening sessions without discomfort. Each of our pads is fine-tuned utilizing frequency response software in our headphone measurement lab, with all results available for viewing on our blog and product pages. Dekoni Audio prides itself on the quality of its products, and we stand behind every facet of the design and manufacturing of our products. Feel and hear the difference yourself with a pair of Dekoni Audio's Elite Velour earpads today. For all the latest from Dekoni, check us out at dekoniaudio.com.